Why do individuals with unstoppable confidence always seem to master the rules of dark psychology? Most people believe confidence is about talking loudly or controlling the room. But the absolute truth is far more dangerous. True mental dominance belongs to those who understand the hidden meaning of dark psychology, using it not to attack but to remain completely untouchable. They know exactly how social predators operate, which makes them immune to every manipulation trap on Earth. If you have ever wondered why some minds can never be broken, you are about to decode their secret shield. The core reason these confident minds are so dangerous is their absolute mastery over emotional distance. While ordinary people constantly bleed information, begging for validation, a truly confident person operates from the shadows. They use psychological tricks to read your micro-expressions while keeping their own intentions completely invisible. By understanding the deep mechanics of human deception, they can spot a toxic liar or a manipulator within the first 10 seconds of a conversation. They do not argue, they do not explain, they simply watch you dig your own grave. This creates the ultimate psychological shift. When a manipulator realizes they cannot rattle your confidence, they enter a state of complete internal panic. Your unbothered silence forces them to face their own reflection until their entire strategy crumbles in fear. Unstoppable confidence is not a loud voice. It is an unbreakable mind that refuses to be controlled. Never spend your words trying to prove your worth to ordinary minds. If you are ready to rule from the shadows, leave a comment below to lock your target. See you in the next masterclass.